ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipped my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't know what I should've let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I would be running out. Just leave for another day. Would you come through? Would you come through? If I needed you right now, would you already be heading out? Cause my left side's a little lonely. Come and hold me, call you my only one, my one and only. If you care that much, baby, come and show me. Detox in your arms up until the morning. So you right now, would you already be heading out? And if you're in town, yeah, you come around, would you let me know right then? Or would you hang out with your friends? Would you see me?